In a dramatic encounter, an Mi-17 helicopter of the Myanmar Armed Forces was shot down by an FPV drone operated by militants from the so-called Kachin Independence Army, similar to tactics seen in Ukraine, and struck the helicopter during its landing phase. It was targeted during landing because it's extremely difficult for a drone to close in on a helicopter in flight due to its speed and the rotor wash caused by air pressure. The strike hit the helicopter's blades as it was taking off from a field near the city of Ban Ma. Although the helicopter initially managed to leave the area, the damage sustained proved to be fatal later and crashed. In the video, we can see the moment the drone hits the helicopter. This footage is most likely from a reconnaissance drone that had been tracking the aircraft. This appears to be the second confirmed case of a helicopter being successfully hit by a drone. Previously, a Russian Ka-52 was also struck by a Ukrainian drone. As helicopters are especially vulnerable during landing due to their low speed, drone protection is now becoming crucial for rotary wing aircraft.